So hey guys, and so today we are going to be making something explode. Oh yeah, let's get over some please, right there. Okay, okay. So today we're going to be showing y'all ingredients to make something explode. So the first ingredient you're going to need is baking soda, and we already added ours. Baking soda. So I'm just gonna get all the chunks out. Will you get all the chunks out, please? Yes.
Are you telling them
What we're gonna be doing is there's this chemical reaction that will happen. And it's from this baking soda, this vinegar, and this salt. Well, the rest is can make it better, but it is optional.
So if you don't want it to be better, then don't do it. Then don't add salt. But we are adding salt, so it's better. This is optional. Okay. This is optional also. When you are done, you can add some food coloring.
Well, you can add it. You don't add it when you're done, but you just add it with all the other dry ingredients. Now we add our vinegar. So I'm gonna get this set up to where you can see it really good. You hold it like this. So I got it set up. Okay, so I got it out. Wait for a minute.
You gotta put probably a lot. Or you might need to add more baking soda. We made a volcano, so we know how to do this.
Yeah, we made a volcano before. Just saying, I'm not trying to brag.
But it's not a video, so... Oh!
See that? That is how it explodes.
Now, if you want to see it again, just leave a comment below. But if you want to see us do some videos, you'll see what we can do. And explode again. We're going to add some more salt.
There we go. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye guys. Bye. This is